What's going on YouTube? I didn't write a script for this one, so F it, we will do it live. We're doing more birds today. Yeah, I know. The last video was such a hit, we decided to do another one. So, bird photography. What is it about? I don't know. As you saw in the last video, here's a link to the last video. We shot the robin, the American robin, and today we're moving on to our next victim, the mourning dove. Yes, that's right, I've chosen a wonderful bird that comes in the morning and just wakes you up, purrs like a bird. What's up YouTube? This is the vlog part. I don't care about the audio. The mourning dove. Yes, it is. It's actually spelled differently than I thought. It's mourning as in a sad dove. This probably should have been the first bird that we did because gosh dang it, am I in mourning over life. Funny. The mourning dove, spelled M-O-U-R-N-I-N-G, actually does not come in the morning, which is okay because I don't get up till noon. The mourning dove is a member of the family Columbidae. The conservation status of least concern, population increasing. We'll see about that. It's a member of the dove family, also known for their bars of soap. But unlike the bar of soap, this dove is actually quite dirty and you cannot wash your armpits with it. I'm sorry, I'm freaking hilarious. And the Carolina turtle dove, it is one of the most abundant and widespread birds in North America, and that's why we're choosing it. Also, it is the state bird of where I live, so I figured, hey, it's probably going to be everywhere. I'm not going to have to be outside for a really long time, because you know what? It's not what this is about. Males and females are similar in appearance. We're not sexist here, we'll shoot either one. The species is monogamous. Monogamous. I wonder what that's like to have a significant other. Good for the birds. Behavior. Like other columbids, the mourning dove drinks by suction. I don't want to go down that road. We'll continue. That's enough of the history of the mourning dove. Let's go find one and catch it. And cage it. Alright guys, we're in the car, and I hate that we have to do this, but I actually have to leave the front yard. The reason I chose the mourning dove originally was because, well, I had seen some in my yard and I figured if we had some outside in the front, I wouldn't have to leave. But it turns out there are none in my yard today. Let me turn down this classical NPR because I don't want to get hit with a copyright strike from Beethoven. We're going to have to leave the front yard, so I'm going to a park near here and we're going to see if we can find some of these mourning doves. Alright guys, we are out in the field right now. We are at the park, and I've been out here for maybe 5 minutes, and I've already been assaulted by a butterfly, and my ears are being assaulted by those little buzzing creatures. And I have yet to see any birds, but have I seen bugs? Yes, I have, so we might turn this into a bug vlog. Guys, do you see that? Check this out. It's a wild natty ice can. Views of the industrial wasteland. Really, there's no other place that I want to go to see that than the park. Alright guys, here's a little update. I've been out here for like, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes, and I haven't even seen a single bird. Now I can hear them, but I don't see them. I can hear traffic, I can hear bugs, I can even hear a few birds, but literally, like not one single freaking bird. Do you hear that? Are you a dove? Yeah? Where you at? Mourning dove. Yeah? Where? That bird is a lying sack of shit. Not really sure what kind of bird I'm approaching, but at this point I'll take what I can get. It's kind of similar to life. At some point you just gotta settle, right? I don't know where this park is taking me. I've come to a fork in the road. So what do you guys think? We've got, to my left, it looks like a path that I'm supposed to go. And to my right, we've got a murky, nasty looking, puddle-bound gravel road. I took the road less traveled by, and that has made all the difference.
I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming.
Guys, crikey, you're not gonna believe this. I took like 3 steps down this danger zone, and guess what I heard? Gwa, gwa. We're heading in the right direction.
I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming.
I did not expect to find one of these birds here, but I literally just saw the white tail of the mourning dove, and I heard the kuwa, kuwa, which I'm sure. Holy crap! There, no, he's flying. He's flying away.
I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming.
About to be hit by a wild human being. We've got to be as stealthy as possible. Seriously, I don't want them to know I'm out here. Oh shit, they're coming this way. Death awaits us. I think we're heading in the right direction. Alright guys, it's raining. Lighting's probably not too good. Alright guys, it's raining. So I'm going to take refuge upon these steps. I figure there's civilization up there. Let's walk right through a spider web. So I've had a lot of people comment on my other video asking if I feel that this... Alright, somebody's definitely smoking pot up here. Son of a bitch. I'm not going up there anymore, guys. I'm not trying to die in a drug war. I'm just here to shoot some birds. Turn it around, about face. Listen, I knew those warning signs meant something, but when death awaits you, what you didn't see, if we look back, there's a THC logo written on that transformer. You know what that stands for? The Hound Crew. The Hound Crew are notorious for smoking pot. Alright guys, I'm about to give you a history lesson. You don't see these every day. This is a medieval torture sex device, which I don't know the difference between torture and sex, but they seem pretty similar to me. These are the chains that they wrap around your torso. And this is the trough where they catch the skulls after they've fallen off the torso. And all right, we're gonna try this out. This is really dangerous. Don't try this at home. Guys, I think I may. What is that bird? That's way better than a mourning dove. Why aren't we catching that bird? There's people. They're throwing little discs. Must be some sort of weapon. Act natural. Woo! 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 You have no idea how much this sucks. Alright guys, I spent like an hour and a half, I don't know, time stands still when you're bored out of your mind. Listen, I couldn't find the bird, man, and it's so freaking hot out, and I just failed. I just failed. Like, I'm not giving up. Like most things in life I give up on. I'm not giving up on this, it's just, you know what, it's frustrating. So as I was pulling onto the road that leads to my apartment building, guess what? Guess what? That's right. I saw a freaking mourning dove. Just chilling there. On the power line behind me stands a mourning dove. I've searched long and far for this creature, and it has taken me the entire day. Now I am on the cusp of catching it, and I just want to witness, or have you witness, greatness. I'm going to turn around. I'm going to take a photo of it, and that will seal the deal. We will have caught a mourning dove. Check it off the list. Yes, we are making a list, and we will have checked it off. So, if it's not there when I turn around, I will throw my camera. That'll be funny, so you'll get to see that. Let us turn and look. Aha! The elusive mourning dove. Alright, I'm switching this over to camera now. The photo is going to be so beautiful.